Hi, my name's John Taylor. I am one of the business development managers at Granada Secondary Glazing. We're currently in the centre of Liverpool at the Quest Hotel, where we have recently installed through our commercial division a numerous amount of horizontal sliding units. So we're here today looking at our horizontal 2-pane slider. This is a right-hand master, so the panel will slide from right to left to create the full opening. Our horizontal sliding ranges can be 2-pane, 3-pane, 4-pane and 5-pane. With the horizontal sliding, they're basically paired up with any primary window except for the mullions, which you're looking at these sash windows. But horizontal casements, that sort of style, the horizontal sliding units are perfect for those. These specific windows were chosen by the client to reduce the noise from the busy high street. They're situated 150 to 200 millimeters glass to glass, and that is when you will get your best acoustic performance. The main improvements with our new horizontal sliding units are we now have a full length handle profile instead of having the small spring clip handles. So how this works now, your panels are locked off with a central push button release. You press the button in and that releases the panels. The panels flow from left to right, and you can also do the same with the opposite panel. These units are from one of our very first installations of our new product range. Across the whole range, we've ensured the sightlines have been made as slim and unobtrusive as possible. Specifically with our new horizontal sliding units, with a 8mm head sightline reduction, a 3mm sill sightline reduction and a 13mm jamb sightline reduction. Our new product range comes in two variations, the classic and the enhanced. So while there's no difference in the aesthetics, the classic can take 4mm glass only, whilst the enhanced can take 6mm, 6.4 laminate, 6.8 laminate, 8.8 laminate and 10.8 laminate glass. For more information about our horizontal sliding units and the rest of our new product range, visit granadaglazing.com.